here, okay? Enjoy the show.
Okay.
I like that. Let's enjoy the show. Alright, this is a nice show.
I was worried about the truck behind me stopping.
Oh, yeah. Is the guy okay? I don't know. Can anybody tell me?
He says, you have the guy? And he goes, yeah.
Oh, okay. So the guy's okay. Let's record this too. I can't see.
You can hang out the window if you want.
Can I?
Switch seats.
That's right. Okay. This is exciting.
SUV.
Oh, you hit somebody?
No, he just said something about SUV. I don't see anything, but you're taking pictures too.
Oh, those guys are. Oh, yeah. It's not recording. It's not recording. Taking pictures of the guy taking pictures. My mom's phone is doing better than mine. Can you get yours to video? No, mine's just an orange glow. Oh.
Is it just the truck?
If this were TV, it would blow up. You're still thinking. Yeah, I can probably quit now, though. Don't you think? Mine's just this rose blonde. Oh. I'm wondering if I could. Oh, that's too bad. Yeah, so. You should send me that, and then I can show all my friends. Yeah. I wonder what happened.
Just jackknife.
Yeah, but I don't know. How come nobody's putting it out? Well, that's what I'm wondering, where the fire department is.
There's a fire guy up there.
Oh, okay.
They're just letting it burn.
Is it just the truck that's involved?
Sorry, what?
Is there another vehicle there, or is that just the truck?
That's all.
No.
It wasn't on fire. We've been sitting here 20 minutes. It just barely caught on fire.
Oh.
Driver's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh, no.
I'm proud I was waiting to walk out to Grantsville.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those tires. He smacked this wall right here. He's like,
Oh, look.
I don't know how I.
Holy cow. CJ, no, record the fire. I got this one. You got that one? Okay.
That's his bumper.
Yeah, I know. So he came this way first, and then he skidded that way.
Overcorrected.
Yeah.
So we came this way. Try to get back on the road.
You got pictures of the pieces? The window only rolls down so far. Oh, that's right.
That's true, isn't it? That's true.
Well, I have windshield wipers. So. How much of this do you want?
Well, it's going out now.
Yeah. I have 4 minutes of video.
It says tire up there.